Hi, my name is George, student University UNAT, uh, identity presentation, 20 years old. My nationality is Colombian. I live in the city of Bogota. I live with my family, father and mother. Curious the program technology software development. I like to music. I like play video games, read a book, and go to the movies. I don't like cooking. I don't like surfing the internet, playing soccer and camping. In my life trips to my girlfriend from um, food picking was carried out. In the future plans, we have a trip to Mexico City. Thanks.